My regional accent is one that I am extremely proud of. I love my regional accent. It gives my language lots of colour. It gives my speech nuance, and I think it makes it more interesting. However, disadvantage, it has been a disadvantage. I have been asked if English is my first language. I have been asked if I speak any other languages other than Scottish, which is in itself not actually a language. And I have been in a position where people have decided not to give me, many years ago, not to give me a particular opportunity because of that. However, for me, a regional accent can only be an advantage. I have had pronunciation problems due to my accent, yes. However, by raising awareness and by understanding the accent, regional accents especially, make you who you are, it's very possible to be able to give your students an extra tool in their toolbox through your accent and through exposure to your accent. So while pronunciation can change due to a regional accent, what's important is to have awareness of that and give that to your student as a tool.